every problem creates opportunities, and in this case it's a great opportunity, especially for us in South Africa, to start using technology and the apps and everything that's available to us to our advantage in this time. This coronavirus actually forces us to start implementing some of the technology that's available to us. Grateful people become happy people, and happy people build successful businesses. Strong business builders has always been molded and created in difficult times. Keep adding value. Generosity breeds abundance. Always. It's a law of nature. When you throw a ball up in the air, it will always come down. It's a law from the universe and from the Bible. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Now has never been a better time to explore your ikigai. Start waking up in the morning for something bigger than yourself, and start running your business less with your mind and less with your head, and a lot more with your heart and with your soul. Jasper Basson. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also please comment on this video if you agree with me or don't. So I decided to make this video on the coronavirus that's very quickly starting to create fear all around the world and in South Africa as well. And I've compiled a list of 5 ideas specifically for business owners, small business owners in South Africa. The very first idea that I want to suggest is to start working remotely and gear your software, gear yourself to start being able to work remotely. Maybe meeting with clients, your employees that's actually working for you, your outsourcers, all your kinds of all the systems that you use to operate in your business. So I always believe any problem creates opportunities, and in this case it's a great opportunity, especially for us in South Africa, to start using technology and the apps and everything that's available to us to our advantage in this time. This coronavirus actually forces us to start implementing some of the technology that's available to us, but we've never cared to use it. So I'm going to give you about 3 ideas, things that we've done, and ideas that you can start implementing in your business. Very first, Zoom meetings. A client of mine many years ago actually told me about Zoom meetings, and an awesome app that you can do meetings. You can do group meetings as well. A few great functions that I found was that you can actually record meetings, so you can go back and re-listen and catch up of some of the instructions or discussions in that meeting. Another very great thing that I use a lot, especially with financial statements and discussing that with clients, is I can share the financial statements while busy with the call. So while we can see each other, while we communicate, I can also share financial statements or other relevant information on this app while we are talking. So we can quickly discuss the financial statements, and it saves the client a lot of time traveling to me or to us. Obviously, we will never be able to replace a relationship kind of one-on-one environment or a meeting like that, but it's definitely, especially currently, it's a great replacement of one-on-one meetings, and it's something that we can implement going forward to be able to start limiting time, traveling time, and etc. with clients. So Zoom meeting, there is definitely some other apps as well available. I found Zoom to be definitely the best one available, and we use that frequently for many years already. The second thing I want to offer you to work remotely is to get yourself or your company online cloud-based network. We've implemented in our accounting practice probably about two odd years ago. I'm very thankful that we've did. Now employees can work from wherever, and they can actually log into the system. I can work from home if I want to, when I need to, especially like the current situation, and I can log in and I can work on specific files, and my colleagues and employees can also see the same files than myself. So we can constantly work on a network that's been shared on the cloud, and we can always have access to it, doesn't matter where we are. So definitely a very great way for storage, and also a great way for an organization to actually work together. And lastly, I would suggest that you look into, it's the best time now to look into online accounting program. There are a number of accounting programs available. Just to name a few: Xero, QuickBooks, Sage 1 that we tend to use, our favorite to use. A variety of online accounting programs, and the great thing again, it's on the cloud, so you can log in, your accountant can log in, and everybody can work on a cloud. You don't have to travel, you don't have to be in each other's space at this stage, in this stage, and it's just a great way overall to start working. You can do your invoices from home, you can do your invoices from any location that you have an internet connection. So definitely something to look at. We've got a number of clients that shared their Sage 1 accounting with us. You can basically invite your accountant, and they do a portion of the work. They do on invoices and pulling in some of the receipts from the customers, and we do the rest of the work. Or they tend to do a number of the items of the processing, and we just fill in where we need to, and we advise as we go along on a monthly basis. So definitely something to look into as well. That's the third idea. And then also, while we're at it, just want to remind you that we have a 3 months free monthly accounting program that you can use our monthly accounting services. We have access to the whole practice, and you can decide in 3 months time whether you like our service. So if you haven't joined our gift pack for entrepreneurs yet, go to the link below, get your gift pack for entrepreneurs to the value of 57,000 Rand, and part of that gift pack for entrepreneurs is a voucher for 3 months free monthly accounting services. 3 months totally free of charge. You have to do this. If you need an accountant, or if you think about moving from an accountant, now is a great time. We can assist you to register you Sage 1 online, and you can start working, and we can start assisting you for 3 months free of charge. The second idea I want to offer you as being a small business owner is, it's never been a better time to start looking into your morning routine. I love my morning routine. It elevates my day. It stills my mind, prepares my body, prepares myself emotionally to go into the day with fire, and fully be there for my clients, and be there for my business, and build my brand, which I'm so very proud of. And the big idea related to morning routines are, we work very hard to mold our inside, and the stronger our inside, the better results we will see on the outside. We will never see better results on the outside than we've been doing the work on the inside. Just to give you an idea of what I do every morning, and I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but just to run you through a few ideas what you can do in your morning routine to work on your body, work on your mind, work on your heart, and also work on your soul. So what I do every morning, I wake up at 4 and I have my gym clothes ready, and I'm in my gym just outside of our house. So I will do a variety of exercises in the various mornings, but it will consist of cardio, weightlifting, and I used to be very active in martial arts. Now I'm just, at this stage, I used to be a kickboxing instructor. Now I'm just participating in jiu-jitsu, and so I still do some back work, etc. as well. So it would be a combination of doing some MMA related cardio work, pure cardio work in the sense of HIIT, AMRAP, Tabata kind of training, and then also, like I said, some weights as well. So that's my mornings from 4 to 4:30, and then I would do gratitude every morning, write in my journal, write 3 things that I'm just being grateful for. Grateful people become happy people, and happy people build successful businesses. So if you want to start building a super business that you're super proud of, start journaling, start doing the simple things like practicing gratitude, being grateful for the smallest little things. Also, part of my morning routine would be meditation. And meditation can be different for each and every person, but definitely some sort of meditation to quiet my mind, to prepare me for the day that's coming. And one last idea I want to offer you is from 5 to 6 every single day I read or I do online courses, and by doing that you constantly train your mind to grow. You're forcing yourself to grow, and the leader that learns the most is the leader that will win. So definitely look at training every single day. Try to read every single day for at least 60 minutes. And lastly, what I want to offer you, I've done that quite a number of times, is hop into a cold shower every single morning. It's great for your immune system. I haven't been sick in almost 2 years since been doing that, having cold showers now and again, having a ice cold bath. And the greatest thing about that is that you run into your fear every single morning, that you run into a cold shower, and every time you run into your fear will run away. So good practice to do. And ultimately the big idea regarding morning routines are to set up your day, set up a beautiful day, and also work on your body, your heart, your health, and your soul. Number 3, very quickly, strong business builders has always been molded and created in difficult times. If it was easy, everybody would have done it. I always remind myself, in difficult times, in all these difficult times, there's always opportunity for me to grow, to learn something new, to learn how to handle stressful times. So be open to the learning curve, whatever needs to happen. Sometimes it's a business that needs to be totally taken away to make space for a beautiful new opportunity and a new business. So don't be afraid of change, and don't fear the current situation where we are. It will show us the way that we need to go. Number 4, one of my favorite ideas these days that I talk a lot is find your ikigai. It's never been this important to find your ikigai. That's your passion and your purpose and the reason for us for waking up in the morning that's bigger than ourselves. And it differs for each and every person. But if we, in times of these fear, in times of uncertainty on the coronavirus or whatever it might be, it's to keep your focus on your ikigai. Keep your focus on your bigger purpose than what we are surrounded with currently. And I believe that, especially in these times, I think that the universe, God, want to show us that stop building your business with your head. Obviously you need some guidance with your head as well, but stop building your business mainly with your head and go deeper, looking for your ikigai. Go to the place of your heart and go to the place of your soul. If we start building our businesses with our heart and our soul, we will find our ikigai in that specific place. When we run our business with our head, we actually run our business with our ego, and that is definitely not the way that we need to run our business. It's away from a place of our ego, and that's the place of our heart and our soul. See the coronavirus as an opportunity for us to grow and to start living our ikigai with our heart and with our soul. And the last idea number 5, is keep adding value. Keep adding value to others. keep adding value to your customers. Just give. Generosity breeds abundance. Always. It's a law of nature. When you throw a ball up in the air, it will always come down. It's a law from the universe and from the Bible. Whatever you sow, you will reap. So in difficult times, 10x your marketing, but not by cold calling, not by selfies, not by templates that you can use advertising banners on. Be your authentic self and give the world really just that. Give the world your authentic self and the value that you can add to the world, and show them that. I've done a post this morning on Facebook that I said, I don't care about your selfies, I don't care about your cold calling, I don't care about your banners and your advertising little banners that you put on Facebook or wherever you want to put it on. I care about your authentic self and the value that you can give to me. And we all have that ability to give value on our specific niche. We've all been through a lot of things, and use that difficult times again. Use the problems, use the difficult times to create opportunities and to create value to other people. And just to summarize, problems create opportunities, always. Don't look at the problem as a problem, look at a problem as a creation of an opportunity. And be massively generous. Generosity will always breed abundance. If you want to receive a lot, you need to give a lot. It's the way of nature, it's the way of the Bible, and it's the way of the universe. Lastly, now has never been a better time to explore your ikigai. Start waking up in the morning for something bigger than yourself, and start running your business less with your mind and less with your head, and a lot more with your heart and with your soul. Thank you for watching. Just a quick reminder to grab your gift pack for entrepreneurs in the link below. It's a gift pack for entrepreneurs to the value of 57,000 Rand, free of charge. All you need to do is activate it. Part of that gift pack for entrepreneurs is a voucher of 3 months for 3 months free accounting services from a company, Dryk Holdings. All you need to do is activate the gift pack voucher in the link below, and we will be in contact with you as soon as you've done that.